But I got some really good things from Goodwill, and my theory is I think I can shop better at thrift stores whenever I'm with someone because they help me find things too, rather than just me being by myself and like maybe I would be in there quicker if I was by myself. I don't know. I apologize if the lighting isn't the best in this video, but I am filming this as the sun is going down. But yeah, I'm doing my best here. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. I'm going to be sharing with you another haul video. I'm also looking forward to whenever I can get my hair done again, which I'm not thinking is until March, but maybe a little bit sooner. I wasn't planning on doing a haul video, but I had a pretty successful shopping run, if you will, this past Saturday. So I wanted to share with you mostly. Well, I mean, like I got other good stuff, obviously, that I'm going to show you too, but I got some really good things from Goodwill, and my theory is I think I can shop better at thrift stores whenever I'm with someone because they help me find things too, rather than just me being by myself and like maybe I would be in there quicker if I was by myself. I don't know. But I went shopping with my best friend and she helped me find some things. One of the things is this sweater that I have on, which she actually picked up for herself, but it didn't work out for her. But we ended up swapping because I got a cardigan that didn't work out for me, but it worked out for her. So yay for being able to swap there. The first store that I'm going to share with you things that I got from was from Kohls, because I'm wearing most of the, well, I got jewelry and then I also got a pair of pants. Let me show you the pair of pants that I got first. I've been looking for some more pants and these are super like comfortable. They're not leggings, but they're like, do you see how like flowy these are? They're from the Simply Vera Wang brand. Yeah, these are from Kohls and they're kind of like a reddish brown color, I would describe them as. So I also like that they're kind of like still a color, but they're also still a neutral, and I really like those. I also got these set of rings. Like I went in looking for pants, which I got those and I was happy about. Also, I had a gift card from Kohls, so that also kind of helped with my purchases, especially with my jewelry purchases, because I ended up getting like this stack of rings, this ring, and these earrings, but like no regrets, because I really like how these look together. Let me get up close. So this is a set of 3, and the top and the bottom one, well, I just, you know, have it like how it was in the little thing that I bought it from. The top and the bottom one is just a plain silver, and then the front and then the middle, the top and the bottom, and then the middle one has like these little fake little diamond stud things, and it doesn't go all the way around, but like that's fine. This ring is kind of like a little, it has almost like a braid detail with like the fake diamonds and then like the silver. This is sterling silver. These are not. This is from the Lauren Conrad brand. This is sterling silver and I can't remember what brand this is by. And then these ones, the ones like on my first lobe, like let me take them off because they are so pretty. Blue is my favorite color. So that's also why I was excited about these earrings and this sweater. Like beautiful. I just think it's so pretty. I debated getting these and I'm so glad that I did. And also they were on sale. All of the jewelry, actually all of the things that I got from Kohls was on sale. I think I ended up saving over $100. Not that I would have bought that stuff full price, but you know, I like saving money. So that was exciting. So that's everything that I got at Kohls. My best friend also did go with me then. Well, some of the things I bought whenever I was shopping with my mom, and then some of them I bought whenever I was shopping with my best friend. When I was with my mom, I went to Burlington and I got those pillows. Actually a set of 2, so you can see the one right back there, and blush pink is my accent color, and this is a lighter pink than, like you can see that vase, back there, and then I also have the mug, which you can't see, and I don't feel like adjusting the camera again. So blush pink is my accent color, and this is actually more of a blush than I guess that is, but I think it also goes together too. And this was 2 for like $19.90, I think. It was a little under $20, so that was also nice because pillows can be kind of expensive. Like personally, I don't want to pay $20 for one pillow. I thought that they were the perfect size because they're nice and small, because this is a love seat, so it's not overly big. And I really like how they look, and I'm very pleased with them. So yay for that. Next up, the next thing that I'm going to share with you that I got things from was TJ Maxx. I got a present for a friend that I'm not gonna show in case this friend is watching. I also got some makeup wipes because I needed some more. I've spoken about this before, I like using makeup wipes if I'm mixing my foundation colors together or if I have like fallout from eyeshadow, that kind of thing. I don't use them at like the end of the night usually to take off all of my makeup. I also got some nail files because I needed some nail files, and I feel like I need to get better quality because I don't know how long these are gonna last. But it was $2.99 for these two, and they're, you know, like hot pink on one side and hot orange, bright orange on the other side. So I needed some nail files. But yeah, that's what I got from TJ Maxx. I'm also back to the pillows. I'm really excited about that because I love how much my office is coming together. I'm still looking for a floor length mirror that matches my office better, but I don't want to settle because, like, not that the one from Target would be settling. There is one that I kind of like from Target, but I want to like no whenever I see, I consider that furniture, whenever I see a piece of furniture because I plan on keeping it for a while. I am fairly certain on the desk chair that I'm gonna get because this is just one that I got from a thrift store for like, I think my mom got it for like $5, around $5. And it's just not the chair that I want permanently in here. And then I do still need I do still want two side tables, but kind of along the same lines of, I don't want to just settle, just get something just because, but that is still what I'm looking. But my office has come together a lot. So that is very, very exciting. Now on to what I got from Goodwill. As I said, the first thing was this sweater, or the first thing that I'm gonna be telling you was a sweater. I love this, it's in great condition. I love this color, I love blue. It's such a vibrant, bright blue. I don't think it's coming across as bright as it actually is because the sun is going down, unfortunately, right now. But I'm very excited about that. Let me share with you the other clothing items that I got as well. So I got this romper, which I'm not sure what brand it's from because the tag is kind of like rubbed off, but this actually looks like in really, really good condition. It's a cold shoulder, so the shoulder kind of looks like that. And then it's this romper. Especially like love the detail at the bottom of the shorts. Like this is just such a pretty pattern. This reminds me a lot of a shirt that I got from Maurice's. It's now just hitting me. But yeah, it's actually in really good condition. So I was very excited. Like this is super cute. I think Andrea might have found this. So shout out to best friend for finding things that I ended up buying. Also, I'm pretty sure she found this dress too. So this is from the brand Target. I got it from Goodwill. And it's a very boho, but I also like it. I very much like the mustard yellow color too. So, and this was also in really good condition. I'm not sure how much things were, but I mean, it was from Goodwill. So I got all of this stuff. I think I end up spending like $26. And I got the romper, I got this, I got a cardigan, but like we switched. I feel like the cardigan and the sweater would have been about the same price. And then I got, you know, this dress. Then I got some more things that I'm gonna share. I got this book. This is The No Complaining Rule by John Gordon. I've read a couple of John Gordon's books and I was excited to get this one as well. And then, are you ready? Like, I feel like this is probably my best find because I'm fairly certain this was like almost brand new, if not completely brand new. It was still in the box and I think it had been opened and maybe they decided against it and didn't want to keep it. But regardless, it was still in the box. Like the plastic was still in here. It's this little like tea strainer and this is by the brand Alfred. I think it's just plain Alfred. I already threw away the box and it doesn't say on here. But it's this like little, I think this is like an individual tea, like for using your loose leaf tea. I have already washed this. So you put your tea in here and let it steep. And then it has like this little pot. I think you would just like put the hot water in here. But yeah, it's so pretty because I also like, not a new discovery, but maybe within like the past year or so, I have learned that I actually really like cherry blossoms. And on this like light blue, like this is just really pretty. This is almost also decor, but I do plan on using this too. So I was really, really excited. Like this is beautiful. And also I got this for like $4.94. So under $5, basically brand new little teapot. Is that what you would call this? Little beautiful piece of, you know, dishware. I was really, really excited about that. This haul went by a lot quicker than I thought. I feel like I've left things out. Hopefully I didn't. Anyway, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. I mentioned my best friend in this video. If you want to see her in a recent video, we just did a video recently where we did our makeup together. I will leave that linked right here I recommend checking it out. I think it's a really fun video. Obviously, I might be a little partial, but if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to stick around and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.